Hey everyone, I am Kanchan Soni, an alumnus of NIT Calicut. We are going to discuss the characteristic equation. Okay. Suppose we have any square matrix A, then determinant A minus xi equals to 0. This equation we do call as characteristic equation. Okay. Suppose we will discuss the characteristic equation of 2 by 2 matrix. So suppose we do have the matrix A, which is with the elements 2, 3, 1, 0, and we have to find the characteristic equation of this matrix. Then what we will do, we will just first find A minus xi. What is I? Where I is the identity matrix. So we'll write A will be 2, 3, 1, 0 minus x, and identity will be I2 of order 2, that will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Basically it will be 2, 3, 1, 0 minus x, 0, 0, x, and that is nothing but 2 minus x, then 3, 1 minus x. This is the matrix A minus xi. Now the characteristic equation will be determinant of this matrix we have to equate to 0. So simply here we'll write determinant of 2 minus x, 3, 1 minus x equals to 0. Now how do we find the determinant? We find the determinant simply 2 minus x into minus x and then minus this 3, that is equals to 0. Basically multiplication of these two. Then it will be minus 2x plus x square minus 3 equal to 0. That we can also write as x square minus 2x minus 3. So basically we got the characteristic equation. Okay, fine. Now here we have to observe one thing, that the order of the matrix was 2, and here what we can see, that the degree of this equation is also 2. So this equation we do call as characteristic equation. Okay, fine. Now can you just check out one thing? If I'll ask you, tell me the trace of this matrix A. If I'll ask you, tell me the trace of the matrix A, then we know that trace of the matrix is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements. Now here can I say sum of the diagonal elements is nothing but 2 plus 0, that is 2. It means trace of A is 2. And if I'll ask you, let me know the determinant of the matrix, then we can say that easily we can say that determinant of this matrix is nothing but 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. So can I say that if I know the trace of the matrix and if I know the determinant of the matrix, then we can write the characteristic equation very easily. Since here what is this minus 3? This is nothing but the determinant of A. And here what is this 2? This is the trace of A. So basically this we can also write as x square minus trace of A into x, then plus determinant of A equal to 0. So for 2 cross 2 matrix we can write the characteristic equation in this way also. Okay. Then the next thing is Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Now what is the Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Cayley-Hamilton theorem says that every matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. It means in the last that example what did we got? We got that the characteristic equation was x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now if the matrix satisfies this equation, it means this variable x we can replace by the matrix. So we can simply write a square minus 2a minus 3. Now 3 is a number. In matrix we don't have a number, we just write it minus 3i equal to 0. So the same equation can be written in this form. Then one note. What is the note? For a 2 cross 2 matrix, the characteristic equation is given as x square minus trace of ax plus determinant of A. That is, in short, we can remember it. Thank you.